Hello everyone. In last lecture we have studied some optimization tools to increase the website ranking. Today we are going to study some more optimization tools to increase the website ranking. Today's another topic, concept of Google Analytics, is dropped from your exam. Let's other factors which affect your ranking. First one is the robot.txt. Robot.txt file is what tells the search engine which pages to access and index on your website and which should not be. That means from the complete database which pages should be included and which pages should be excluded from the index, that is decided or that is suggested to the search engine by this robots.txt file. For example, user don't want to display thankyou.html message which is in the file thankyou.html to the users. That time he has to use the command disallow. By using star disallow and thankyou.html, this file will be removed from the index and no user can visualize this file. This is the purpose of the robot.txt. By using this criteria, you can increase the ranking of your website as unnecessary contents will not be displayed on the web page. Then second one is the device rendering. Device rendering means your visual or your website must be properly visualized on the mobiles as well as tablets. You know that most of the web traffic is coming from the mobile and tablet. That means most of the people are using mobile and tablets as a search engine or surfing the data. Therefore, while designing, it is very important to concentrate on the specific topic that whatever the content or whatever the design is generated by your website, that should be properly visualized on the mobile and tablets. Next one is the Flash. Flash is an interactive media technology that makes sites more interesting. By using this Flash, we can display our contents more interactively on a web page. But at the same time, it is having the drawback that it confuses the search engine or it can kill your search ranking by creating the confusion for indexing the Flash content. Therefore, you should avoid the Flash in your web page designing. Similarly to Flash, one more content is iframe. Iframes also burden the SEO. Just like when you create the different frames or when you use the frames in your web page, that time it generates lots of files. These lots of files having the different heading levels, different titles, different meta tags, which creates confusion to the search engine that which page should display and which should not be. And naturally it negatively affects the ranking of your website. Therefore, you should avoid the use of frames, Flash and iframes. Actually, frames are not using in HTML5 is not using the frames. Instead of frames, we are using div and segment tag, which provides the required effect. Next one is the favicon. Favicon means the specific icons indicated to the specific websites. Here, first icon G, it is the most popular icon. It is used for Google. Then this next icon is used for YouTube. This is used for Facebook. It is used for Insta. It is used for Amazon and it is for Yahoo. Similarly, you can set your specific icon to your website so that besides the content, your website have a brand look. The next one is the legible font size. You know that most of the traffic is coming from mobile and tablets. Therefore, the content displayed on these devices must be in the proper size. It should not be so big or it should not be so smaller. User can easily read the content displayed on these devices. Next one is the tab targeting sizes. A tab target is any element on a web page that a user interact with. These include action buttons, links, ads, etc. that a user taps when accessing the web page using a touch screen. Generally, what happens while surfing anything, if there is any ad, we just click on that ad and see the content of the specific ad if it is related with our search. But if it is not related with our searching data, then we avoid that ads. Therefore, the size of the search tabs or touch elements should be relevant. It should not be too small or too big. Let's see its example. Here, whatever the different contents are displayed on a web page while surfing, and if you are not clear about the specific words, then you can just select that words and right click and you will get the property window, and in that you can just click on search Google for that specific word and you can get the detailed information about the required selected data. Also, we can create different links or different buttons in such a way. Here we have created two links by using these two buttons. First one is previous and one more is next. This previous button takes the user to the previous page, and this next button takes the user to the next page of the current website. Then next one is the performance result. Under that, first topic is number of resources. Your site speed is also depend on the resources you used in your website. If your website having very less or minimum resources, then naturally the speed of your website display is higher. But if you are using the more resources to design your website, that time naturally its speed gets reduced and it will take more time to load the web page. Naturally, it will affect negatively and many people or more people will avoid your website. Therefore, it is necessary to avoid unnecessary contents as a resource. While developing the resource, you should concentrate mostly on the text file as well as on the images. You should avoid sound files, animations and large size videos. If it is essential, then provide the videos, otherwise remove it from your content. And if your contents or if your resources are less, then naturally its speed will be increased. Next one is the page speed info. Just we have seen that resources affect the page speed. If your speed is low, naturally more people will not give attention to the website. Therefore, while creating the website, your attention must be on the design, its content and avoiding as many visuals as possible. Okay, if you are having more content, more visuals, more sound files, more animations, then it will obstruct, it will destruct your website. And one more is page size info. It may happen that your website having the different PDF files, different images, different videos, and you permit the user to download it. But while downloading, if it is having the large size, then it will require more time to download, and naturally user will avoid to download that file sizes. Therefore, when you permit specific things to the user, you should also concentrate at its size. Today's exercise, you have to list the other factors to optimize the web pages for SEO. We completed our second lesson, digital marketing here. Today you have to upload the exercise below this lesson on the group IT exercises. It is important as your internal work. Okay, we will stop here, and in next lecture we will conduct its exam.